I am from Richville, New York. I grew up on a dairy farm. I spent a semester here for my undergrad in theater, and I really enjoyed it. I guess I chose Scotland in general just because that's where my 6 times great-grandfather is from. So it's kind of been this romantic thing, as is common in American families, to follow your ancestry. I guess the romanticism in it is, when you think of Scotland, you think of sweeping landscapes and highlands and wilderness. That's not Glasgow. Back home, we would celebrate Burns Night. During formal functions, the men would wear kilts and or tartan. So I guess I was just kind of looking to connect more closely to that. When I looked into doing the genealogy here, it was actually quite sad. I learned that my ancestors were pushed further and further north in Skye. It was during a time where farming families were very poor. I guess I just learned that it wasn't as romantic, it wasn't always what's depicted. Where I'm from is it's just cows. It's not a city by any means. And my parents have always been surprisingly supportive, because coming from a farming family, or coming from a family who, they're very blue collar, they just, it's a lot of physical labor and just that, agriculture and that. In our area, I think is just kind of weird, considering there's no film industry, there's no television industry, there's no performing industry at all in our town. For me to say I want to go into it, they just automatically knew that would take me away.